Yep. Check it out, guys. Yes, they're all the way down here. I feel. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a video that I've been wanting to make for a while. I am running a little behind on my schedule here when it comes to my potatoes. If you can see, my bucket is here and it is ready to be harvested. So let's get these potatoes going and see what we have. Let's get to the cutting. All this extra foliage I will just throw over the fence here behind the pot for the chickens to eat. There it goes. This is all my straw. What again made up. And here you have it, guys. Look at this. Yeah. This is going to be super fun. All right, let's put these in the bucket. Guys, what? Okay, that's promising. Yeah, these are just not budging like the ones I pulled earlier. Okay, 2 more. There's another one. Obviously, these plants were still trying to send out potatoes. Check them out. Yep. Check it out, guys. I feel them. Oh my gosh. Yes. I'm trying to be gentle. I don't want to damage them. I'm just trying to grab them from behind. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Check it out, everyone. This is exciting. I feel them and I just saw one. Guys, look. I have a 6mm plastic that I keep in my greenhouse. I'm gonna use this to dump the soil in here because it's becoming very difficult to get in there and pull the potatoes out. So I'm gonna do myself a favor and maybe hopefully I can flip the bucket onto this and get my potatoes out, because honestly guys, I'm anxious. And I'm trying to get my potatoes as soon as possible. Okay. Alrighty. I'm just hoping that the potatoes just come out on their own. I hope you can see this. Look at all these potatoes. They're not super huge, but they're there. So let's get this dumped out. Here we go. All I gotta do is soften up this ball of potatoes that's in here. Let's lift this up. Oh, yes! Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, I got one in my face. Wow, guys. Ooh. Let's get in here and get our potatoes. This is the liner I put in there because this pot has large holes here. And once I put the soil in it, I don't want the soil to, you know, fall out. I think I am very happy with the results that I have. Let me throw you into, no, I'm not gonna throw you. Let me bring you in to see what it's in my little tub here. So you can see the harvest that I got. Regardless, you can grow what you eat. You just have to figure, you know, you just have to put your mind to it and get it done. Let me just show you this. This here is my beautiful russet potato harvest. I will say that this is the biggest one right here. Okay, that's the longest one. And to figure out which is the smallest one, there is a competition here. This one and this one, well, right here. These ones take the cake right there. But wow, what a beauty. I am super excited with this harvest. I can't complain. You guys might be looking at this harvest and saying, why is she so excited about? That's not a lot. Let me explain. The year before, for some reason, my potatoes didn't give. I only got like maybe 5 little potatoes. Last year, that's 2 years ago. Last year, I had a really big issue with ants. Hence, they made a home in the pot and I didn't have any potatoes. So to see this year, I am very happy to say that I'm satisfied with the amount of potatoes we got this year. I grow as best as I can with the time that I have. And this is what I get. This is great because you plant it, you feed it, you water it, and by the time that it's time to harvest, there's what you got, you know? And I am very happy with my little harvest. I will be enjoying some mashed potatoes, french fries, whatever I can make with them. They're russet, so I can do a lot with them. So we'll go from there. But if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell, guys. Make sure that you stay notified every time I upload a new video. And if you want to watch more videos when it comes to my gardening or anything else, you know what? I'll link them up somewhere up here. I think it's on this side. It's going to be up above. Make sure you go watch that video. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.